Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता माझ्या cooking channelaचेर आणि today I am come up with homemade Malvani masala, and this recipe of masala ingredients is from my friends from Malvan. So please note down the ingredients and the chilies, whatever is it, like what I have brought it from the shop, which I will be adding it in the description box from where I purchased. So these are from him only, and accordingly the name I have purchased it over there. So सगळ्यांक तुमकां म्हणटा की यो आसा म्हाजो फ्रेंडाचो रेसिपी मालवणी मसाला, जो आसा फेमस फॉर मालवणी डिशेस. सो तुमकां जरी तर शिकोंक जाय आनी तुमकां जरी तर घरा करूंक जाय जाल्यार ह्यो जावन आसा इन्ग्रिडियंट्स, सामग्री जी आमकां जाय पडटली. ओके, हांवें ते सगळे आतां काडून दवरला मसालो आनी हांव तुमकां आतां सांगता. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमकां जायो, आनी दिस इज ऑल सन ड्रायड. ओके, हेका बरें वतान सुकयल्या. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमकां जायो 50 कश्मीरी चिलीज. ह्यो जावन आमकां कलर दितलो, ह्यो तीक न्हू, एक कलराक लागून कश्मीरी चिली. आनी 20 गुंटूर चिली, तर गुंटूर म्हणून मागचें पडटलें तुमकां, गुंटूर. सो आय हॅव टेकन 50 कश्मीरी चिलीज अँड 20 गुंटूर चिलीज अँड 20 गोवन चिलीज. ओके, so when you go in the market, now Goan chilies you can optional omit it, or you can add other type of small button type chilies also will be fine. So these are the three main ingredients. Okay, is it clear? So 50 Kashmiri chili, 20 Guntur chili आणि 20 आमच्यो गोंयच्यो मोटक्यो मिरसांगो. मागीर जाय आमकां 1 tablespoon नाग केसर. ओके, हेका म्हणटा नाग केसर, or कोपरा सॅफ्रन, or कसाया बड्स. हे तुमकां एमेझॉनानूच मेळटलें, or आय डोंट नो अदर प्लेसीस, बट गोंया हें मेळना आमकां मसाला वाल्याशीन. सो ताका लागून हांवें एमेझॉनान ऑर्डर केलेलें. आय विल शेअर यू द लिंक इन माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो दिस वी नीड 1 tablespoon ऑफ नाग केसर. Then we need 1 tablespoon of mugwort. Okay, so this is mugwort. So it has got some tart flavor and it's a mint and a juniper. So ye pun tumka meotele fokot Amazonan. Okay, so ebe ye जावन आसा mugwort. लास्ट टायम पॅकेट दाखोवंक नासलें आनी थोड्यांनी म्हटलेलें हांव बोस्टेंच म्हणटा की मुगवोट आनी हें आनी असलें नात. बट देर आर सम स्पायसीस वीच आर यूज्ड इन certain masalas like East Indian also. We have to use this mugwort. Okay, but anyway, thanks for every comment. Okay, so this also I will share the link. Okay, so te जावन जालें. So now this is 1 tablespoon and this is 1 teaspoon, म्हणजे धाकटुशे टीस्पून आसा तर कुलेर भरपूर. Then we need 10 green cardamoms आणि 5 black cardamoms. Then we need 4 bay leaves. Then we need 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera. Then 1.5 of small javitri, that is maize flour. 1 star anise, that is आमचे चक्री फूल म्हणून येता, आणि 2 inches cinnamon. Then आमकां जाय पडटले 2 होल ऑफ ट्युमरीक ही सायज. हल्दी 2 जाय आमकां. 2 tablespoon of खसखस, that is poppy seed. So टेबलस्पूनाची सायज जावन आसा ही, जी अगेन मेवता मार्केटान. ओके, अशें बरोवन घेयात. ओके, मागीर आमकां जाय पडटले 30 पेपरकॉर्न्स आणि 15 क्लोव्स. ओके, काली मिरयां 30 आणि आमचे कालाफुरां जावन आसा 15. मागीर आमकां 5 टेबलस्पून ऑफ कोरिएंडर सीड्स. 5 tablespoon of coriander seeds. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. राय, सासवा, सुकी धनिया ती जावन आसा ही. मागीर जावन आसा आमकां 3 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 5 tablespoon of fennel seeds, that is soft. Okay, अशें पळोवन घ्या. 3 tablespoon आमचे जिरे आणि 5 tablespoon आमचे सौंफ, बडीशेप. मागीर आमकां आनी सारकें काडून दवरला, हितून काडलेले ताटान सगळे. ओके, मागीर हें आमकां जाय आमची अर्दे कुलेर आमची तेफां, सॉरी 1 teaspoon ऑफ this is called tefal or tirfa, or you can say Indian Szechuan pepper. A 1 teaspoon. Magir 1 teaspoon hing, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, that is methi, half teaspoon. आणि हे हांवें घेतला एक धाकटेशें दगर, that is stone flour. ओके, आणि आमकां जाव पडटलो आमचो 1/4 पीस, ह्यो आमचो राजा म्हणून येता, नटमॅग 1/4. सो हे हांवें इतलें घेतलां. तुमकां जाय जाल्यार मातशें उणेंय करूं येता, म्हाका तेजो फ्लेवर आवडटा, सो हांवें हें इतलें घेतलां. ओके, सो दीज आर द ingredients. So please watch this and write this so you can understand what are the ingredients. Okay, I am not going to write in the description box all these things. You all have to watch this so that you all can make it in a nice way and note it down. Okay, just writing in the description box and then you all just copy paste it, it is not going to help you all or anyone. But anyway, this is my style. I don't write any ingredients in the description box. Thank you so much. So आता आमी हे सगळे रोस्ट करूया on a low flame. 2 to 2 minutes each masala you have to roast and then you have to grind. Malvani masala is ready. So I have given you all the ingredients and hope you all will make this. Okay, so I will take you in the kitchen now to roast all this. Now to remove this, if you want to cut this whole, you can cut this, remove this out. It's up to you. I mostly grind it with this. But yeah, somebody had asked me who makes masala with the dent. Dent, they say. This is the stem. I said I do that. So, okay. Let's go in the kitchen and roast this. So I'm showing you quickly. Other videos also I've shown how to roast. So I'm putting all these three together and roast for few minutes to remove the if any excess this is there. तर हांवें तुमकां पयलीं म्हाजे आनीक खूब मसाले आहा गोवन शाकोतीचो आहा मागीर आमचो ईस्ट इंडियन आसा मागीर सांबार मसालो आहा सगळ्याचेर दाखयलां हांवें तुमकां कशें हांव मसाले भाजता पळय ते सो यू कॅन रिफर टू दोज विडियोज एंड चॅक ओके सो 2 minutes is done. Take out that. Low flame. Then I'm adding all this khara masala that is whole into together. Roast this all. So again 2 minutes. So done. Before grinding, please remove the small seed is inside. So you have to remove this. Okay. Some doesn't have, but some will be having. And this is done. 2 minutes. Then I'm adding all this together along with methi, mugwort little bit, bay leaves and our nutmeg, zaifo. Again 2 minutes. So this is done. Now we'll roast this mustard, which is saswa, or rye you can say. Again 2 minutes. So this is also done. Now we'll do our khaskhas, poppy seeds. Again 2 minutes. This is also done. Hing powder, that is asafeda, is a powder, so you don't need to roast. I'm just adding it directly to the masala which I roasted. And now coriander seeds. This will take little bit time, like 3-4 minutes. Now those who want to do in larger quantity, please multiply the quantity which I have given into double, triple, whatever. कोणाक तो सुबेज करूंक जाय जाल्यार मातशें हांवें जें पळय तुमकां सामोणाचें हें दिलां तें तुमी वाडोवन घालात. थिंगा हांवें 1 कुलेर म्हटलां थिंगा 2 कुलेर घाल तेजी कितें सुबेज जाय जाल्यार 3 कुलेर घालात. तो हें मेजरमेंट करून तुमी हो करात. Vasilo. Now I will. This is done now. Chilies. Now this is done, and now are the other chilies. Okay, so this is also done. We'll switch off the gas, let the masala get cool down, and then we will do our next procedure. Okay, so all the masala is here. Let it get cool down. Then I will take this to a mill. You can do it at home if you have a mixer, a bigger grinder where you can grind all this. And I will grind this and I will show you the result. Here again to grind this. Same place. here is my Malvani masala ready, which I grinded at Mapsa. So this is the quantity what I got. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much. This is like 1/4 kg. Okay. So enjoy your Malvani homemade masala powder and enjoy curries of Malvani taste. Thank you. Dev Bare Guru.